How to log in into Walmart Capital One credit card account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into Walmart Capital One credit card. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, search for Walmart Capital One credit card login on your web browser. So after you search for that, you'll find different options right here. What you'll need to do is head over to this option that says Capital One Sign In. So just head over to that very website, and all you have to do is log in into your Capital One account as well. So just go through with the login process, use your Walmart Capital One credit card sign in credentials here, then tap on Remember Me if you want to. Then tap on sign in and you'll be logged in, and that's how easy it is. All you have to do is log in through the Capital One website, and yeah, you're good to go. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.